Action!
Okay, today we are making date energy balls, and to do that we have a bunch of pitted dates, we have some pea protein powder, a little bit of salt, cocoa powder, and we have whole almonds and almond butter. Okay, we've scaled everything out, and just a note, we scaled the almonds and the almond butter together with the almonds in first, so that you're not trying to scrape all of the almond butter out and into the food processor without worrying about losing stuff. So to get started, we're just going to put the almond butter, and dates in first, and we're going to try and get them a little bit smooth and broken down, and then we'll add in the dry ingredients. Cool. So pulse it a little bit and then just let it go. And we're gonna, once it goes for a little while, we'll probably stop and scrape things down so it doesn't collect there. We're just kind of scraping the sides and the bottom, because you'll notice sometimes things will kind of gum up and get stuck in the bottom, and then they won't mix in with everything else. Again. Okay, so it's starting to come together, but I think we'll process it a little bit more and get the almonds a little smaller before we add our dry ingredients.
Okay. Go for it.
Okay, so you can see the almonds are all mostly in smaller pieces now, and we've kind of got this uniform sort of paste kind of texture, and we're going to add the dry ingredients now. We have cocoa powder, pea protein powder, and a little bit of salt. Okay. Now you're just going to pulse this a little bit first so you don't have powder flying everywhere, okay?
Yep.
Okay, so at this point we still have some bits of almond, but the main thing you're looking for is you want to be able to press it and have the mixture hold together so that you know you'll be able to form your balls. So you could keep going if you wanted to get rid of some of these larger pieces, but we're okay to stop at this point and form our date balls. So you can either just use a portioning scoop, like one of these purple scoops, or you can scale them out. 20 grams seems to be a reasonable size if you want to go with that. Okay, so basically if I were to scoop them, you just scrape everything together and you're gonna press it firmly into your scoop of choice, release it, and then just form it into something resembling a ball.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Done.
Done. Putting his maybe I am. Okay, get back.
Look what you did, Nicholas.
Something else. Babies will put their toes in your ingredient.
I'm too short, and that's why his toes are touching the stuff on the table. Sushi, did you go to Kaji? Did you learn how to make this date ball from Kaji?
Yeah.